What's up, fam? Hey, I'm really pissed right now. I am absolutely sick of hearing people talk about the protests and the movement and racism. And I want to read something that I just read, and I'm going to point this out to the guy that I know, an acquaintance of mine. And honestly, I've been unfriended this week by a couple of people, and a couple of people don't get the fact that this is real. Like, this is affecting people's lives, and racism exists. So, look, this is what an acquaintance of mine just posted. Here is how absurd things are getting. The Black Lives Movement organization wants you to believe that since the civil rights movement to now, the USA has made zero progress to this day. Bullshit. Bullshit. Black Lives Matter organization, nobody wants you to believe that zero progress has been made. That's not true. I continue. When the Black Lives Matter organization starts to organize massive protests in the south side of Chicago, the west side of Baltimore, East Los Angeles, when the black on black crime rate is soaring to heights that dwarfs cops' brutality, don't be sheeple. Don't be a sheep. Start thinking it's not illegal yet. Oh God, help me. I don't know how to respond to this ignorance. I really don't. I wish people would get it. Like, I wish people would stop thinking the way they think, right? The way that you personally think, and empathize or sympathize a little bit. Yes, progress has been made. Absolutely. You'd be ignorant to think that progress hasn't been made since the 60s or 70s, right? However, this is my analogy to you, and you know who I'm talking to, and everyone else that believes this, that thinks like this. Progress has been made. If tomorrow you were diagnosed with cancer, and the doctor says, we need to get you into surgery right away. Mr. So-and-so, Mrs. So-and-so, we need to get you in surgery today. And you go to the hospital and you say, Doc, I'm here, I'm ready. And the doctor says, look, we're going to take 70% of the cancer out of your body, but leave the 30%. Is that okay? Would you look at the doctor and say, oh, okay, I'm pretty happy with that. 70% of the cancer gone, that only leaves me 30%. I'm good. Hell no, you wouldn't. You'd be like, what are you talking about? No, take all of it out. No, I don't want to be left with 30% cancer in my body. Right? The analogy is that. I mean, that's just it. Just because you've made progress doesn't mean that you're at the end, does it? It means that you need to continue if you're making progress. If you've made progress and you're not at 100%, that means that you can grow. You can be better. Look, I don't understand racism at all. I think it's the racism and war I don't understand. I just don't understand. We're so much better than this shit. Racism and war. Absolutely just pathetic things in life, right? But it exists, and we need to deal with it. By no means do I support the riots, but I absolutely do support people going out and protesting and electing people that have some good common sense, that want humanity to succeed. The end. Anyways, guys, I hope the world is a better place. I hope that I'm able to see it in my lifetime, not seeing racism, not seeing war, not seeing people not being able to have intellectual conversation and rational conversation and coming to a conclusion, compromising sometimes. I hope that in my lifetime I see it. I don't think I'm going to, though. All right, guys. I care and I love you. I hope you have a great day. Peace. Big Dave out.